Look, oh, there they come.
How many monkeys are on me?
Wow. Oh my God, Bill. Oh, hi. Oh.
Come on, let's go.
Today, we're the ones in the cage. We went face to face with over 300 monkeys at one of Miami's wildest spots. And things got bananas. Hidden in the lush forests of South Miami, Monkey Jungle flips the script. Here, humans walk in wire tunnels and monkeys roam free all around you. One of the coolest parts, you get to feed them. You drop fruit or nuts into these special buckets, and the monkeys pull them up from above.
That guy wants some?
This guy.
Okay. Oh, wow. Sorry about that, buddy.
That guy. Now this guy.
They've learned quite good, huh? You want to do the next one?
Yep.
Okay.
This guy wants some food.
Very, very smart.
Which one? This one?
Yeah. Be careful, monkey.
Monkey Jungle started in 1933 as a research center and sanctuary. It's not a regular zoo, it's a protected home where many monkeys live just like they would in the wild.
Okay.
Daddy, do you know what the guy said?
What?
We're gonna feed some reptiles.
We're gonna feed some reptiles?
Yeah.
So you just put the food on there. The monkeys are to climb up to get to the.
Monkey's gonna climb up to get to the food?
Yeah, and I can't believe that.
Oh.
There's only two rules with going outside with the monkeys. One is just watch where you step, because the monkeys are very, very small. A squirrel monkey is only about as big as my radio. And just as many of them that are going to want to hop up here to come get food, plenty more are going to be around your feet. The other one is don't grab them. Grabbing them scares them really bad, and then they won't want to hang out with you. So you want to not grab them.
They know you're coming, Theo.
Before we got close to the monkeys, we had to put on gloves and masks, not to protect us, but to protect them. Monkeys can actually catch human illnesses. Even a little cold could make them really sick, so this is part of keeping them safe and healthy in their home.
Feeding time. Huh? Okay.
Here you go, boy.
Oh my God!
He's amazing.
That's why he's just kind of scared and picking up whatever fell on the floor.
Oh my God, it's with the babies. Come here.
Wow.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna take just the parts she likes. That's Echo. And Miss Echo gets kind of picky.
Give her another plate.
Oh, here. Customer. This monkey actually likes
This is
me.
surreal. You need to try.
Hello?
Like 5 feet away. I don't need any food.
Give me some on my hand.
Can you take?
What's going on?
Oh my God, Dale, look at them. I can't believe. I am more excited than you are.
And there you go, bud.
What?
One taste of those skeleton, you'll be okay with it.
Are they like bandits stealing all the food?
They are like bandits.
They take what they want and then they run. Now I'll put food on it. I like this.
Okay.
Look at him on my.
Balance it real good. And
Well, hello.
my favorite part of my day.
You have an awesome job to hang out with these.
I definitely do enjoy it.
And look at they're climbing on my back trying to get to you. Huh?
Monkey on your back.
Huh? I got a monkey on my back.
Hold it real strong though,
Oh,
okay?
now let's see if they jump. Wow!
There you go.
This monkey likes me.
Oh yeah, he's hanging out,
Yeah.
man.
How many monkeys are on me?
Wow!
There was 2, but for a minute there you had like 4. Oh, hi. Ed.
Uh-huh.
Look, Mama.
Dale, what's the right way to treat an animal? What do we say about taking care of animals?
Being gentle.
Yes.
But not a lot. There's too many of them. and They look a little too similar between each individual one.
This is like a monkey school.
A monkey school? Yeah. They all have food that they're eating.
And they're having lunch.
Uh-huh. Is this how you have lunch in the classroom?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Like
Oh,
that.
here comes another one.
You'll keep coming
Wait
over.
a few seconds. Oh, there they come.
There you go. And just hold the tray still. And now you got plenty of monkeys.
Look here. What do you say?
Thank you. Okay, I will take this monkey home.
You'll take them home.
Oh,
What would you do with the monkey if you took him home?
take care of him.
How would you take care of him?
Give him food.
Uh-huh. Would you take him in the bathtub with you?
Yes.
Yes.
What a day. I made so many new monkey friends and even met Echo. One thing's for sure, I'll never forget this wild adventure. And there's so much more to explore. If you love animals, adventures, and learning new things as a family, hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and share it with a fellow explorer. You never know where the wild path will take us next.
Aaron, Theodore's paying today. He's got his wallet, so he's covering all this today. You got it, right, Theodore?
Right.